Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video we are going to be trying to create a backstage pass, I guess the invitation. So first thing I did, I never created one, so first thing I did was went to Google, and from there you can see many different different ones just to get an idea of what they look like, where you want to go. So this one was actually requested, and it was white diamonds and pearls, also with gold thing. So I've already done one, but I'm going to also make another one. This one is going to be based off of this one right here. Oh no, I didn't want to click on it. Okay, so anywho, and for this one, to get these, I went to Google and typed in white diamonds and gold invitations. So it's all about, what you type in. So this is the one that I've already came up with. This is the front of it. This right here would be the back. And this is where you put the time, place, RSVP, all that information. We are actually going to create another one. This one right here. So to first get started, we need to insert shapes. Of course, we want a rectangle. Let me see what. Okay, so the height is going to be 4.7 and the width is going to be 3.7. Okay, simple, right? Let's go back. Okay, that is pretty much what we're focusing on right here. Okay, so matter of fact, to try to create that, let's go to format, shape, fill, picture. I don't know, let's find something. Now I looked for everything else, but I forgot to look for okay, we just gonna go with this. We're gonna make this work. No outline. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's fine for right now. Bring forward. Trying to create like that white, it look like a white, I think a white silky texture would be cute. But definitely not that background. That background is like really, really throwing me off. We can go ahead and set this to 3.7. That way it lines up perfect. Let's crop this down a little bit since we got to make this bigger. That way it doesn't look all distorted and just weird. All right, now we got to try to get that gold frame that's right there. So to do that, I actually went to Google and typed in gold frame PNG. Oh my goodness, y'all. My laptop is going super slow right now. I've been doing so much on it. So that's how I got this gold frame. I'm going to go ahead and crop that down as well, because all we need is just pretty much the one side. Okay, I'm going to crop that down some more. Let me blow it up so I can see. To make sure I take them edges all the way down. Alright, that's good. Now I want to bring that forward. Oh no. Need to take it down just a little bit. Okay. And that to me is looking more like wood, so I'm going to try to go on corrections. Okay, yeah. There we go. Now that looks like gold. That is pretty. Okay. Now let's go up here, and I think I had a diamond. Yep. To get this border up here, I pretty much had to do it diamond by diamond. I could not find like a diamond strand on Google for anything. So if you're trying to create this one, you will have to do it, you know, strand by strand, which is pretty much what I'm going to do here. Let me see, forward, bring that forward, okay. Yep, this is pretty much what we're gonna have to do. Copy, paste, and we're gonna have to just keep doing this all the way. Paste, keep doing it all the way till this thing gets all the way filled up. I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing that, and then I will be back on so that, you know, this video doesn't just drag out with me doing this. Alright, as you can see, I finished putting my diamonds up here, and I just went on ahead and copied and pasted it to the top as well. Right now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and group all of these images together, so where now it is just the one image. I'm going to copy and paste it and put it over here. This is going to serve as the back of the VIP pass. And so really all we have to do now is just insert the words, which is, you know, very, very simple. Y'all, this was the first one I did. This was one I was working on. And on this page, I don't know what happened. Like, it was just lagging and going so slow. But then when I came over here, opened up a new page, this one just going regular. So I don't know if it was the text or what that I used, but I'm not doing that again. Okay, so VIP pass is the first thing that we want to put. And let's go with we're going with some regular font. Like I said, on that other page, it's going slow. Ooh, you can't really read that. Okay. Can't really read that either. I'm not really liking none of these other fonts. Okay, we just gonna go with this. Let's go with this. And we're going to fill that with a picture. The glitter, we're going to use glitter text for this. Outline it in white. Uh-oh, clicked on the wrong thing. My bad. Now I'm going to bring it up over here. And make it a little bit bigger. Pretty much what you add on the front of it is really up to you. Like I said, I went to Google. You can find all types of, you know, backstage passes. Some of them put the barcode on the front, some put it on the back. Shoot, some put it on the front and the back, as I'm seeing. So really, I just think it's just your preference, what you like, what you're going for. Um, VIP pass. Let's insert some more text. Nayla's 16th birthday. Or should I say Nayla's sweet 16? With this, let's try the other gold, the one that looks like chrome. Let's try that one and see what that looks like. Hopefully it don't look too off. Not bad, not bad. It looks like I might have to shrink it down a little bit. And then to get an effect on it, let's I don't know, let's see what the glow look like. Excuse me, Lord have mercy. Glow. Ooh, Jesus, no, that's doing way too much. Okay, let's take that off. Let's see what the, let me get close so you guys can really see the different types of effects. Let's go to shape effect. Let's go to, let's do a bevel. Let's see what that looks like. Nope, let's try another bevel. Take that bevel off. Ew, I don't want no bevel. No bevel. We're going all the way back because, Okay, great. Goodness. What is soft edges? Now, I don't know what this is. What the freak? Nope. I don't know what you is, but I don't want to. Take, Go back. Reflection. Or shadow. Let's try shadow. Okay. I can deal with shadow. Shadow is fine. And it actually separates this from the VIP pass. Or should we put it on the VIP pass as well? Let's see. Shadow. Let's go to the middle. Oh, it's already on there. I'm waiting for something big to happen. Okay. Well, I guess it's there. Um, this was a request just to get some ideas. You guys, it's like really simple, really easy. Yeah, again, the measurements for the size is 4.7 in height, 3.7 in width. If you are on my Patreon page, I will upload the images. But this is pretty much what I came up with, the two different ones that I came up with. Of course, you put all your information in, you know, time, the place, RSVP information. If they have a picture, you know, add the picture on there. Yeah, bling this thing on out. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I did. I went to Google for everything like I do with all of my projects. And as you can see, the designs are fairly simple. They're not really hard at all. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.